buy a very good quantity of wigs from Atlanta.
So you can zoom in on that. And, oh, she does it too.
This is 5 by 5.
So now when you order the frontals, how long does it take to get it? If I want 10 frontals.
We have a stock.
Oh, you already have it. Perfect.
So you don't have to wait for making it.
Perfect.
Yeah.
Okay.
We have enough stock.
And what are the measurements for the frontals you
We have 13 by 4, but we're planning to do 13 by 6 soon.
Yes. Okay.
And this is 5 by 5. We made a 2 6, 4 by 4, 5 by 5. People now need a 6 by 6.
Yes.
And now I got order for 7 by 7.
Wow. Now what
So-
type of lace are you using?
We have a Swiss lace transparent, only one.
Okay. Okay.
This is the Swiss and transparent.
That is
This
good.
process is very hard for you to find because it's very technical
Yes. Yes.
compared with other vendors.
Yeah, I have a girl that makes them, but she's not reliable.
Okay.
What
Here,
she
Chennai?
do? No, in Atlanta.
Oh, she makes it.
She made this one.
Wow.
She made this frontal, but she's not reliable.
Oh.
She always gets busy, and but this is business, so I have you to commit. So I was gonna buy the bulk here and have her do it, but now you're the only vendor I found so far in India that makes.
Yes, yes. Because I've been to Korea. I learned this for 45 days.
Wow.
And then I started. So this is raw Indian virgin hair. Very rare people do with this hair. It's very hard for them. It takes 3 to 4 days to complete one
Now
closure.
she's doing yeah. So what she's doing is she's just doing a frontal or a closure.
This is closure.
And what's the length?
This is around 222.
Yeah. I've never seen that long of a.
Yeah. 26.
Wow. Indian woman is so beautiful.
Yeah, they are beautiful.
Really? The skin and that, oh, so beautiful. Did you get a chance to see how she's doing it?
Mm.
So I'm definitely going to use you as my vendor for my frontals and closure because I can't find a vendor
Thank you.
for that.
Yeah. I'll show you the quality.
Yeah, I need to. Because this is so important. But you
Nene
can't-
buy wig, all types of wigs.
That's what I need too, the wigs.
She just opened an apartment. She opened a nice boutique, I think.
Yeah, I need the wigs.
Selling
Now, do they
wigs.
do full lace wigs or?
We do full
How long
front.
does that take for them to make a full?
Full lace wig 15 days.
That's what I was thinking.
Front lace wig 10 days.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. And do you have any stock or you make them custom when I order?
Then we have a stock.
You do, okay.
We have a standard stocks.
Now do you have different sizes, like medium?
Yeah, yeah.
Okay.
We have most of we keep middle.
Okay.
Because in the back we have a stripe. People can adjust if they want a longer.
Okay.
So it's very easy. For the small we can make as per your request. For small caps.
So this is all day sitting here doing this, huh?
It's very hard job.
Yeah.
Very technique.
It's very hard, yeah. You have to have patience.
Of course, yeah.
So how long has she been working on this one?
For this closure,
Mm-hmm.
I think 3 days.
Wow.
So each strands goes one by one on the
Mhm.
roll and it's take time.
Mm-hmm. So now, do you have any finished frontals
Yes.
I can look at? Because I want to see the hairline.
I can show you.
Okay. You can look at it if you want to.
Mm-hmm.
You can video it if you want to. You can video, yeah. the Indian raw hair is the best hair.
It's the best thing, yeah.
You know, a lot of the customers, I've been interviewing a lot of women and they don't want the Indian raw hair because they say it's harder to maintain. But to me, it's just like our hair.
Really? It's
But
hard
they
to
said
maintain.
they said they prefer the Chinese hair
Why?
because it's already the high gloss look. They said it's easy to put a curl and finish. I know, so I'm trying to educate people
good.
on the
You
benefits
have to
of the
do
raw
that.
hair. How many years have you been working in this industry with the raw hair?
12.
12 years. So you can tell our viewers like why
See.
it's better to use this hair. Because that's what I'm trying to convey to people is the benefit of using the raw hair.
Okay. Why is, if you compare with the why, the question is very easy, I can tell you that. The Chinese hair, they have different types of chemicals. They process this with the chemicals and they give you to the end users. I heard those chemicals still have some issues like a cancers. So I feel, I don't know how they maintain this type of Indian hair because I'm not using it.
Right.
But I don't feel if there's somebody is giving you something which is going to give you a bad thing in the future,
Right.
and if even if it takes 5 to 10 minutes extra, if it cost you very little bit extra, but this will not give you a future problems like a cancer.
Right, because they have
So-
chemicals in there. And
Exactly. Many people told me
Yeah.
they're getting a cancer in the skin.
Oh wow.
It's because of the chemicals is involved.
Yeah. So this is a closure. This is a small one, but they're
It's a 4x4. We
You're
have
making
a 5x5.
some.
We have a 2x6.
Mhm.
Different types.
Yeah. But the thickness is nice. The amount of strands in it is very nice. Very good. Those girls are doing a great job. And they sit there all day doing that, right?
Yeah. Show you frontal.
Yeah. That's a frontal. That's a nice frontal. So I'm just looking at the hairline, seeing how they did the hairline. Trying to make it as natural as possible. Because, you know, these women are serious about their hair. And you want to be able to give a good product. And that's just straight. Curly, he knows what I love, the curly hair. So this
It's a full lace
is a...
wig.
Is it a full lace? No?
Yeah, this is a full lace.
Oh yeah, it's different. Okay. This is a full lace. Very nice. And this is made with what type of hair?
It's made by Remy hair.
Ah.
Yeah.
And what length would you say this is?
It's 26.
Now what's the difference in Remy hair?
Okay. I tell you. Once we have a raw hair, so this, for example, this is very easy to stitch because it's made by machine. So raw hair is little thick. It's not easy to vent on the hole, which is very tiny compared with any other hair. So the hair, if you do with the raw hair, is going to tangle. So we use some Korean conditioners to make hair a little bit soft.
Okay.
So the people who can make the venting, it's very easy for them to vent and knot. Raw hair, if you do with the raw hair, it can be break sometimes. So the breaking is possibility because the hair, the conditioner is nothing, is called, they used to say it's a tonic. They give the hair soft
To soften the
and
hair.
give more strength.
Okay.
So if you do a knotting, so easy for you to do knot and also it can stay, it cannot come out.
Right.
So that's the main thing. So we use the conditioners on the hair, and as we use the conditioner, so we don't know what type of conditioner. Conditioner also made by chemical, I feel. So we don't call this as a virgin raw.
Because you conditioned it.
Exactly.
So basically you're starting with this hair, the raw hair, but you conditioned it.
We condition
So
it.
they're able to vent it.
Exactly. So we call this as a Remy hair.
Because you've already done something to it different.
Of course.
So
they call it as it's a conditioner.
Right.
But I don't know. See, even conditioner is made by some
Right.
chemicals.
So
I don't know
since
what
you
type of chemical
Okay.
they are.
Well, that's good. That's an honest approach.
Exactly.
Yeah. So that means your frontals, your closures, and your wigs are made with the Remy.
Exactly. Closures we are trying right now with the raw.
Okay.
Closures.
Oh.
We are just what we have got one technique. for example, we don't make all the hair with using the conditioner. We just put a little bit of the front. We just put on the front and make it easy. So this is the technique we have just made, and is successful too. So once it's successful on that, we're going to continue with the frontal and wig.
Okay. Yeah, I like this texture here. Now, to get this texture, did you have to do some steam processing?
No, this is like natural.
Okay.
But we don't get like that actually. Then this is the steam. This is the steam one.
Okay.
Yeah, that one is natural.
Okay, yeah, like the natural.
Yeah.
Because with the steam one, after a couple of washes or if they bleach it, it's
will
going to
come
loosen
back
out
to
the
the
curl.
loose. Yeah.
So this was a little more better because they can still work with a little, body, deeper wave and a little curly.
Exactly.
Okay. All right. Yeah, I like that one. That one's well made. But you said you have sizes, right?
Yeah, we have this is M size.
Okay.
But we can do L, we can do S.
Okay.
Yeah, we need a little bit time for that one. Yeah.
So the stock ones are M size.
Yes.
Okay. So how long would you need for if you were going to do a small? Would that be the 15 days? Because they have to do the
10
whole.
to 15 days.
10 to 15. Okay. All right. Well, let's talk pricing.
Oh, sure.
You can take them off the camera now. So we can talk.